Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 48, Triangles, Section C, Achiever. Let's start. Solve. First, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR and angle A equals to angle P. Then, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by, see here I am not drawing both the triangles now, only one triangle will you can imagine the second triangle. Okay, so AB and AC, this is AC, this is AB, and the middle angle A is congruent. So what happens, what the test for similarity then? Okay, what are the tests for similarity? SSS, SAS, AAA and RHS, right? So these are similar to that of the congruency, only AAA and RHS are different. So this is also called as only AA, that is also known as. So these two would be congruent by what? SAS, right? Now second, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A equals to P, B equals to Q. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by, here two angles are congruent, A and B, to P and Q. So by AA test, so this is AA. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to BC upon QR. Therefore the triangles are similar by SSS test, right? In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Therefore AD upon BD equals to AE upon CE by, what is the name of this theorem by which it is equal? So that is known as, this is very important, this is known as Thales theorem. Now what is Thales theorem? If we have three parallel lines, parallel straight lines ABC, and they cut other two ones, R and R dash, then they produce proportionate segments, means AB upon BC will be equal to A dash B dash upon B dash C dash, or reverse also, AB upon A dash B dash equals to BC upon B dash C dash. This is very useful everywhere in similarity and finding the corresponding sides. By this also, this theorem is also known as basic proportionality theorem. So any name may be given in the exam, take that, BPT or Thales theorem. Okay. Next, in the given figure, ABC is a right triangle at B. See, here it is at B. AD and CE are medians. Medians means what? This D is the midpoint of BC and E is the midpoint of AB. Now AC equals to 5. AC is 5. AD equals to 3 root 5 upon 2. Okay. So find the length of CE. Okay. See here. Firstly, AD and EC are medians. So AE equals to EB and BD equals to DC. Right? That much is correct. Next, in triangle ABD, AD square equals to AB square plus BD square. Right? ABD, AD square equals to AB square plus BD square. Okay. Therefore, AB square plus BD is what? BC upon 2 the whole square. Right? Therefore, BC square upon 4 square. So AD square equals to AB square plus BC square upon 4 square. Upon 4, sorry. Similarly, CE square equals to BC square plus AB square upon 4. Right? Therefore, AD square plus CE square equals to AD square plus CE square equals to AB square plus BC square at the right hand side, AB square plus BC square plus this now BC square plus AB square upon 4, right? But what is AB square plus BC square? That is AC square, right? Okay. And what is BC square plus AB square? BC square plus AB square, again AC square, so AC square upon 4. And left hand side, AD square is what? AD square is 3 root 5 upon 2, right? That is given. So just solve this now. 3 root 5 upon 2, the whole square means 45, 3 square 9, 5, 45 upon 4 plus CE square equals to, AC is given 5. So 25 plus 25 by 4. Solve, go on solving, you will get the answer. C square equals to 25 plus 25 by 4 minus 45 by 4. So this becomes minus 5. So C square equals to 20. CE equals to root 20. That is equals to 10 to the 4 5 the. So 4 square root is 2. 2 root 5 centimeter. Unit is centimeter, I think so. No unit is given. So you can keep it as it is also. Okay. So answer is 2 root 5. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.